Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stay online on Fiverr all day all night without any break. As you can see, for you to make money on Fiverr, you have to stay online. My name is Lawarido, and in this video I'm going to show you some trick that will allow you to stay online on Fiverr 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with no break. And this involves the two methods. The number one method is a free method, and the number two method is a small amount paid method. And for you to earn money, you have to put money into this work, okay? Because even some people are using they are advertising their gig using Facebook ads, Google ads, which I'm going to treat later on this channel. And the best step is that this thing is free. The number one is actually free. So let me walk through the step-by-step tutorials on how to get into the details of one. So you are logging into your Fiverr account now. So there is a tool we call auto refresh. Call it auto refresher plus. So just use that. Let's use auto refresher plus. So connect this, this, and verify. Don't think I have any VPN. Not again. So I think I'm going to close this and open another one. Let me say this one. Okay, I think I see the one I'm going to use. So we are going to install this auto refresher. Let me see, is there anything here? So auto refresh plus. Good. If you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So add to Chrome, add extension to Chrome. So the best part is that free traffic, you need to keep your PC running. So just close this one, and then the next thing I'm going to do is just to open this your inbox message here. Open your Fiverr gig. You can open your maybe analytics or something stuff like that. Okay, next thing is your buyer request, and since the extension is still there, so okay, this way like this. So just ignore this. We are just using this for our sake of tutorials. So let's just pin this thing here, and you can send this to. See, I think we'll send it to random interval. So let's put the minimum, and this is in seconds, right? So I'm going to put like from 5 to 15 minutes to 15 minutes. Oh no, that is how much is 5 minutes? That is 60 times 5. 6 times 5, that is 30, that is 300. I'm going to change this to 1000. So I'm going to set this thing on add refresh, load the page without relying on cache data. Okay, I think I'm going to take that one out. So set the refresh number. How many times you want to this to refresh? You can just leave like that. So let me try the countdown. I hit this countdown mode. Big monitor. Okay, this is auto clicker. So I think I'll find this I think I'll find this this thing useful. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is just to click on start. So allow, So as you can see now, you can see our bot is now at work. All you need to do is just to keep your network running. So do it for this too, for this one too, and for this one too. That's how it's going to monitor the tab. So I think this thing said that before I can say okay, at least I see one. So I think I cancelled an offer because of this rating. So just want to touch this thing. If you are not getting that on Fiverr, then you need to set buy request and learn how to promote your account. If you are using mobile and there's a way you can stay online on mobile, there is a link in the description below. So this is it for number one, as this thing is keep running. So let us proceed to number two. So number two, I've already did the video before because I'm going to do on recap today. So this is the websites I'm talking about. Get the link inside the description thing. So in this you are going to use a VPS. And what is VPS? VPS is virtual private server, and we can even call it RDP, which is remote desktop protocol. Let me put this in the terms of, you have a system in Lagos that is running like 24/7. You can log in there, but you have to pay like a little amount for it, for someone to help you check it, and maybe it's running 24/7. Okay, so we can choose our region here. As you can see, if you want to use VPS in the United States, it's like a piece in another location that you can access on your own personal PC. Hope you guess what I'm trying to insulate here. So these are the region you can choose here. So just visit the link in the description below and register on this website. Okay, visit the link in the description below and register on this website. So you can see there are more avoidable. So as you can spend as low as $6.5 to get a 2 gig RAM. To get a 2 gig RAM VPS with the which is the one I'm using. So I'm going to walk you each step by step on how to go about it. So after you have registered with the link in the description below, you just need to go on servers or services an other server. So after I choose your preferred country, sometimes this thing may not be available. Okay, you can just come up to just one country. So you can just choose anyone you want. So let me say I'm going for Texas or California right now. I usually select Windows 16 because it's normally look like Windows 10. Then select this, and normally I purchased this one for my one of my students. I need to stay online. So, but I recommend using 4 gig for fast stuff. You know. So this costs $12 monthly, which is the 4 gig. So let us go for the 1 gig. 1 gig cost at least $6.5 and cost $18.5 quarterly, which is 4 months. This is semi-annually, so this is annually. So if you have $65, you can use this one like 24. This one will keep running for a year, and you can add as much as many possible accounts with this. Okay, so if you decide to go for this 4 gig RAM too, and this is total amount for quarterly, and this is one for me annually, which is 6 months, and this was total amount for the annually. And if you decide to go higher, which is the 80 gram, the total amount for 80 gram. So this is, if you go to another website, they are saying it's higher than this. To let at all, after you select something like this, and the next thing, so yes, so we just go on checkout. So you can use your card, and this one will create an invoice for you. You can use your card to check out or use paper to check out. So for as a freelancer, I can just withdraw this amount from my Fiverr account to my paper account, then order from this website, and every details of your card is if I have paper account or whether you use card or maybe cryptocurrency. So I think they accept cryptocurrency too. So as you can see, you can pay with anything. So let's just go back So after you have purchased, you can just wait for 30 minutes or maybe like 10 minutes. As soon as they verify your payment, everything will be listed here. Let me load this thing. So it will be listed in services. I think it was services or maybe servers. So in server here. So as you can see, I just purchased this one recently. This is one I purchased before and purchased this one recently. So I'm going to log in this thing. So for you not to see my details, I think I have to add something. I'm going to pause the video and come back later. So this is my server. So the next thing you need to do, you can just download the RDP file here, or just download the file here, or you can, if not log in before, you can just log in it. So let me see, I want one that is fattest window. Okay, let me just go for this. So I've downloaded it. All I need to do is just to run this stuff here, click on it and proceed. So I'm going to connect. So tell me that kind of error has occurred. So if this doesn't go our way, I just go for, okay, this doesn't work. So the next thing you need to do is just to click on, after you have got your details, I've already got my details, you'll be given some IP address, the username and the password. Okay, so just go and click on RDP and click on it right here. So I'm just going to insert my details and then click on connect. So after you insert your details here, it will show you to input your username, which is the username getting from this server, and the password getting from this website too. So just want to pause the video over. So the benefit of using this website than getting this thing outside is you have a full access to your server. If the server have any problem, you can reload it yourself and get a new password. And there's no way you can just order from another person and this person will just control your server and be logging into your own VPS without your permission. So that is why I recommend using this server. So let me just go here. Good. So I'm just going to pause the video. After you have installed your PC, first thing you can access it here in your Chrome. So just test it here. This thing will connect to your console, so you can see. So you can press Ctrl or Delete here and ask you to enter the password from this area. So enter the password and then proceed. So if you want to log in on your PC, you can just go to RDP here. So you can RDP and log in your credential. Okay, so after you log in, it will display something like this. As you can see here, this is my own new VPS. So and then I've already logged in a Fiverr account. So with that, I did the same thing, and this thing was supposed to run 24/7 on my PC. So this will run for 24/7 on my PC. So then let's go for another one. Then you can install another browser. Let's install another browser. So I'd like to install CryptoTab. So I'm just going to CryptoTab here. So let me just check if this thing is working already. Where is it? The video working? I think it's working. So let's continue. Just install the CryptoTab. As I said to you before, you can use many accounts as possible. So too fast, like very fast when it comes to installation, very fast. As you can see, everything is like very fast, very fast. So second, I'm going to download Firefox. I thought I'm going to download Firefox. I thought I'm going to download the Microsoft Edge. At least it's doing something right, something great now, and it's somehow useful. So everything here is like very fast when it comes to installation, very fast. You can see you don't have to wait for any time or long time before you can do this. Okay, so this thing is very extra and super fast. So just are going to close. Okay, to close this, and then let's do the same thing we did on. First thing you need to do is to log in your Fiverr account, and then use the auto refresh plus auto refresh plus, then install it. So log in your Fiverr account. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So this concludes my end of the video. And if you want a way you can want to make money on Fiverr, the 36x way to make money on Fiverr, the link is inside the description below. So if you want another Fiverr tutorial, most of them are in my channel. You can go to my playlist and check it out. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.